equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into a detailed tutorial on how to replace the original cable on your Thermomix TM6. This process is essential for maintaining the performance and safety of your appliance. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of wire cutters, and some electrical tape. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep everything organized. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. Safety is paramount, so double-check that it's disconnected from the power source. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. Be cautious as there may be some wires attached. Take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. A clean appliance works better, so if you notice any buildup, use a soft brush or cloth to clean it out. Next, locate the cable connection. You'll see where the original cable is attached to the main board. Carefully disconnect the old cable by unscrewing the terminal screws. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any concerns you may have. Now, take your new cable and prepare it for installation. Strip the ends of the wires to expose the copper. Ensure you have enough length to connect it securely to the main board. If you're unsure about the installation, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. We can handle the replacement for you, ensuring everything is done correctly. Once your new cable is ready, connect it to the main board by securing the terminal screws. Make sure the connections are tight to prevent any electrical issues. After that, it's time to reassemble the base cover. Align it properly and replace the screws you removed earlier. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your Thermomix serviced. Before you finish, double-check that everything is securely in place. It's crucial to ensure that there are no loose connections. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and test it to ensure the new cable is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you keep your Thermomix in top shape. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the original cable on your Thermomix TM6. This simple maintenance task can extend the life of your appliance and ensure it operates safely. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us for support. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.